Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best iPhone gimbal is probably one of the most essential accessories for any mobile filmmaker or content creator. Today, we're going to dive into the top options on the market and help you find the perfect one for your needs. Now let's take a look at the best iPhone gimbals we choose for you. Number 3. Experience a wide mechanical range with this great option. You'll be amazed by the capabilities it offers. With tons of settings to choose from, you can customize your experience to suit your needs perfectly. The case of this product is top-notch, providing protection and style in one sleek package. Enjoy stable and reliable performance with this product, ensuring smooth operation every time. What we like. If you are looking for a gimbal with impressive mechanical range and tons of settings, you should consider this. Perfect for those who need a stable and customizable filming experience. What people say. It takes the footage from my iPhone 11 Pro Max to the next level, no more shaky video. The gimbal itself is lightweight and easy to transport. Setup was straightforward and basically came down to attaching my phone and turning the gimbal on. This iPhone gimbal, when compared with other models across Amazon, does much more than any of the sponsored models and comes in cheaper, as well. After downloading and opening the accompanying app, the gimbal will automatically connect to your phone through Bluetooth. The stabilization you get out of handheld footage is great, and totally workable for small projects. Music videos, short films and skating videos come to mind as great uses for this item. Number 2. Say goodbye to shaky videos with this amazing device. Its magnetic clip and telescoping arm ensure your phone stays steady while you capture those special moments. Easily attach your phone to the gimbal with the magnetic clip. No more worrying about your phone slipping or falling while you record. The telescoping arm allows you to adjust the length of the gimbal to get the perfect angle. And when you're done, it folds up compactly for easy storage. With this gimbal, you can say goodbye to shaky footage. Its stable design ensures that your videos will come out smooth and professional looking. Don't miss a single moment with the iPhone gimbal. Whether you're shooting a video or taking a photo, this device will help you capture memories that will last a lifetime. What we like. If you like a magnetic phone mount and compact design, this one is for you. Ideal for on-the-go filming and those who prefer a sleek, portable option. What people say. Regarding this gimbal, I have both the OM4 and OM5. I got the 5 because of the extension rod and I really like for low shots after a few days of use. The Max I would get some vibration which is disappointing. Remove your case and any attachments on your phone. Less weight the gimbal has to work with the better. Also make sure to balance the phone on the gimbal before turning it on. Number 1. Experience stunning video quality with the integrated gimbal on this drone. Your footage will be crystal clear and smooth. Capture sharp and detailed photos with the 64MP camera. Your images will be vibrant and full of life. Easily connect your iPhone to this drone for added convenience. You can control and view your footage directly on your phone. Enjoy the freedom of flying without the need for a phone. This drone is fully autonomous and can operate on its own. Experience smooth and stable flight with the integrated gimbal. Your footage will be free from any shakes or jitters. What we like. If you have a need for a gimbal that does not require a phone and is extremely compact, this is the one to consider. Great for those who want an all-in-one solution with optional extras. What people say. Great video quality and stabilization in such a small size. Easy to use, only the setup is a little slow. Even though the screen is a little bit small, it works great to touch and very easy to view. I am absolutely impressed with the outstanding quality of this camera. Not only does it deliver exceptional performance, but it is also incredibly easy to use, making it suitable for users of all levels of expertise. Its simplicity and compact size allow it to effortlessly fit into any pocket, ensuring convenience and portability. This is a powerful little piece of equipment. I primarily use the BMP-CC 4K in my line of work, so I'm accustomed to a higher level of visual quality. The DJI Pocket 2 delivers imagery that, although I do see the difference when looking at them side by side in the same video project, is good enough that I do use it from time to time if it's more suitable for a particular shoot. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.